Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Steffi D Creates. Today is a very special episode. It's not coming out on my normal day. Today is Saturday. Normally my videos come out on Tuesday, but it's special because this is a collab video. I am working with two wonderful, awesome YouTubers who do DIYs and crafting tutorials. So go check out Crafty Mama 85 and Sparkle by Monica. They are also doing some Dollar Tree Halloween DIYs. They're going to be so much fun, so check out their videos as well. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make these super simple, awesome googly eye Halloween wreaths. They are so much fun to make. I just love this. It's really simple. It's a great Halloween decoration. I haven't seen anything like this, so I can't wait to show you how to make these. If you're excited to, don't forget to click my subscribe button so you can always see new Steffi D Creates videos when they come out so you don't miss a thing. So it's super important that you click that button. And go check out the other two ladies. Check out their channels. They're going to be doing other Dollar Tree Halloween DIYs. So there's so much going on. You're really getting like a 3-in-1 video here. As always, full instructions will be on my blog, steffidcreates.com, and links to all the products I used in this video in the comments below. This is going to be so much fun. I can't wait to show you how to make these, so let's get started. Come craft with me, Steffi D. Here's what you're going to need. A styrofoam circle wreath, ping pong balls, I used about 25, a pack of googly eyes, a big matching bow, orange spray paint, and a hot glue gun. So as you can see, I have already spray painted my styrofoams orange. You can do any color you want, black, purple. I really like the orange. I think it gives it a good background for the googly eyes. So I spray painted these yesterday, let them dry overnight, and now we're ready to go. We're gonna take our bow. Now if you can make a bow out of ribbon, that's awesome. I do not have those skills, so I bought a bow already made. So I'm gonna measure out about how far on my circle it goes and make little indents just to see. That will measure out how high I have to put my ping pong balls. So just little indents, no one's gonna ever see them. You can mark it with a pencil, totally up to you. And that is where our ribbon will go. So now I have my little marks, and that's how high I'm going to put my ping pong balls. So now we're going to take all of our ping pong balls and we're going to hot glue them to the circle form. Now be very careful. Some of the ping pong balls, if they're really thin plastic, bubble when you put hot glue in them, so just be careful. Make sure you either get the sturdy ones or you step back a little bit so it doesn't bubble in your face. So I am just going to put hot glue on my circle form, starting where my mark is, and put a little dab of hot glue, and then place my ping pong ball, make sure there's no writing on the outside, onto the hot glue and hold it there. While I'm holding that one, because it does take a couple seconds to adhere, I'm going to do another circle of hot glue next to it and put another ping pong ball on there. You want to make sure that these are spaced out enough that they're not going to be overlapping. They can be touching, they can be spaced out, it's totally up to you, but make sure that when you're putting the hot glue on your circle form that it's not too close so you have enough space for your ping pong balls. I just like to hold them for about 10-15 seconds to make sure that they're stuck in place, and when the first one is done, then I move over to holding the second one while I glue the third one, and continue this way all around the wreath. I am so excited for Halloween crafts. This is going to be so much fun. I love that I'm doing a collab with these wonderful girls. Don't forget to go watch their channels and their videos for Halloween as well. So we're just going to continue working our way around the wreath, adding ping pong balls. I just alternate going back and forth on the sides so that I have it moving down my wreath. You don't want your ping pong balls to be in any sort of pattern. It looks better when it's just kind of random. So just keep working your way around the wreath, adding your ping pong balls, making sure the writing's not sticking out, and then you have a nice open form to put your googly eyes on. Make sure that you are using enough hot glue to really hold the ping pong balls on there. I use about a nickel size each ping pong ball. If you find that your ping pong balls are kind of rolling off the circle form, that's okay. Add a little bit more hot glue and hold it there until it dries. Now I have my ping pong balls all on my wreath, and like I said, if you want to put them closer together, totally up to you. Mine are a little bit more spread out. I like it because then you can see the orange underneath, but you can make them really close together. You're just going to use more ping pong balls. So the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to take our googly eyes, and I got a pack with a bunch of different sizes, and we're going to take one googly eye at a time and add a little bit of hot glue, just a little dab to your ping pong ball, and add one googly eye right in the center, just like that. I don't know if you can see it. And we're going to work our way adding one eyeball to all of the ping pong balls. You can use different size googly eyes all around. I got some really big ones that would be fun to put on them and have some big eyeballs staring at you on this wreath. Now all of our eyeballs are on here. That looks so cool, kind of creepy, but not super creepy to scare some kids off. And now we're just gonna add the bow. Like I said, if you can make a bow out of ribbon, that would be great, but I am not quite that skilled yet. So I bought this bow, and I'm gonna put it on the top, but the ribbons are a little bit too long and it covers my eyeballs, so I'm just gonna trim it down a little bit and just give this ribbon a little trim. So now it's not as long, so it won't cover my eyeballs. So now that we have that, I'm just gonna center it out, make sure I know where I want it. It's gonna look like that. And I'm just gonna add a little bit of hot glue to the back of the bow onto the wreath form, and then press it on there. Hold it for a little bit until it starts to set. And there you go, a super simple Halloween wreath that is so fun, something different, a little bit creepy, but not too much. I think it's just the right amount. I love this. I hope you did too. Enjoy. I told you these are super simple and so much fun, right? Shake them, the eyeballs go everywhere. These are great. If you want to see more, don't forget to go check out Crafty Mama 85 and Sparkle by Monica and see their Dollar Tree Halloween DIYs. They have some great videos coming out today as well. I love these ladies, support small YouTubers, support DIY and crafts, so go check out their videos. If you like this video and want to see more, click my subscribe button so you can see more Steffi D Creates videos when they come out and you don't miss a thing. You don't want to miss out on more Halloween crafts that we have coming out, and the holidays are coming. There is so much more fun, so click that big red button. As always, full instructions will be on my blog, steffidcreates.com. Links to all the products that I used in this video in the comments below. Don't forget to follow me on social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest for more behind the scenes information, party tips, 1-minute life hacks, so much more. Follow me on those channels so you get to see it all. If you make this Halloween wreath, don't forget to upload it and use the hashtag SteffiDCreates so I can see your awesome creations. I want to see how you make this. If you do big eyes, if you do little eyes, if you do crazy eyes, I would love to see if you can make the bow on top with ribbon. That's awesome. I would love to see that too. So share your pictures with me. I hope you enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun making it. Don't forget to check out the other two ladies. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.